What up, my people? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from any part of the world you're watching this tutorial video here on USD JPY, which is US dollar, and the Japanese yen. I just did analysis on Euro US dollar now, so this is still another part of the analysis I'm doing for the weekend to see what any trading opportunities that I might be spotting from this coming next week. And I'm not sure a currency that I need to be watching out from coming 2023 to see what the market is actually doing on this pair. So you realize that I've actually highlighted all the key points here, which I'll be basing my analysis on, which is more like a technical analysis. And look at this pair from the when you check back to the previous level price or data or price data here, you realize that this market has been from here. You realize this market has made another high, which is a new high. USD JPY has made a new high. So this is the previous high here that has been taken out. Previous high that was taken out was this high here. There was a high here, so the market has been, that level has been violated, it has been taken out already. So all this side is the key level that we might see something happening from this level. So currently now we realize that this market has actually violated this side. This is the previous side, the high that I was telling you guys when I go back to the price data. So here is the level the market has violated. Like this level has been violated already. So we see a new high here. USD make a new high here. So currently now this market is falling to that key level, which is more like the level of support that became a resistance now. Okay, the level of resistance has become a support level now. So currently now this place was once a support zone. So when we look back, it's once a support zone, but we now realize the market have actually taken that side. The market has violated that support zone. So now currently we are seeing if this market is going to retest this level. If the market is going to retest this level here. So this is a previous level of support that is now becoming, that has been a breakout, and we see this market is currently in that level. It's going to retest that level of support and push to this upside and violate this high here, or is it going to break and continue? So this is what we're going to focus on and see how it's going to, if the market is actually going to show something like that. So what I'll be doing now, I'm going to switch to the weekly time frame and see what the market is actually doing on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we realize that this market is actually in that level we highlighted. So we're still going to see if we might see anything coming from that side here. So this is the level we're talking about. The market came to this side here. Let's see a breakout from here, retest and a breakout. Now this market is in that level now. So you realize this huge bearish candle that came to that side, and now we saw something like, should we call it an inside candle? Inside candle now. Then this week closing candle is actually interesting. Why did I say so? Because it happens to be a doji candle, and we all know what the doji mean in the market, which is indecision. So now the market gave us a doji candle in that level here, which is more like an indecision in the market. So we don't know if the market is going to push up or is going to fall or break that level to this level here. So if this market actually breaks this level here, we realize the next stop that this market might find some support or a bit of a level to respect to be this line here. So I've highlighted all the line. This is all from the monthly time frame. So this is the level market is currently in. So are we going to see maybe like a break to the push to the upside, or we're going to see a break out from that level? And once the market break further, we'll wait for some sort of retest, and we know that yes, this market is heading to this level here. But if we don't see anything like that, and with what this weekly candle is telling us, this doji candle here, which means indecision in the market and in a key level of interest, which is area of value. So I'll be going to the daily time frame now, which is more like the time frame anything we'll be doing and taking our trade is going to occur in the time frame. So right now I bring another arrow that fits in the screen. So currently now we realize that this market is in that level now, so I just do this trend line on the daily time frame, because from that level, since the market make a new high, you realize that this market has been respecting this trend line. So it has been respecting this trend line. So I just draw the trend line and see if this market is actually going to respect it on a daily time frame. But realize that this is the level I was talking about. This the level here, which this market has been respecting. We see a push down to the level. We see a push up. This is another push down. The market is still respecting and see a bit of push up now. So what is it going to do in that level now? Are we going to see maybe like a break from that level and continue falling, or we're going to see break from this level and continue buying? But if you look at something, then I realize that there's a level here also from this level. Let's call it the minor level from the daily time frame. So there's a level here on the daily time frame that this market has been respecting. So now we have like two levels to watch out from now, which is this level right here. Watching out from this level here, which is the market has been respecting now. So this is the level we need to watch out for. So what is it going to market is going to do in that side now, or what are we expecting to see in that side now? This is what we should be waiting to see now. When the market gives you signal, that's when you're going to take a trade. But now we haven't seen anything from that side. We don't know what the market is currently the level, or what the market is going to actually doing. So there's a level here on the daily time frame, and you see that this level also has been respected a lot here. We see a push from to this side, which is this monthly level here. We see a push up to this level. The market, push down, and it's a push up to that level again. So now currently now we see that this Friday candle seems to like pushing down to this level here also again. So we'll see if this market is actually going to break to the downside. If we see a break to this downside, then we might wait. Okay, that will confirm us that okay, fine, this market is still going to fall. So once we see a break to this downside here, we might wait to see a retest to this level, and then we'll not take a sell position. But if we see that this market actually violates or push to this upside and violate this trend line here, and also take out this level here, we might wait to see a retest to that level and take a buy trade. So we setting ourselves in a two-way position now, either a buy or a sell. So whatever the market should not do in this level here, that's what we're going to do. But currently now, this is where we just sit down and keep our finger crossed. This is where patience comes in, and you see what will actually happen in that level there. But it's more like a sweet trader. If you see anything the market is going to do from that level, it's going to be very interesting. And don't still forget, you still need to factor in the fundamental analysis and your sentiment analysis as well, because this is only based on technical. I like to factor in everything in this trading world. So currently now, nothing to do in this level, but we're just going to watch and see what the market is going to do. So whatever the market decide from here, we're going to follow what the big boys are doing. If they break to the downside here, we wait for a retest from that level, we'll take a sell trade, and we'll see that this place is going to be the next stop this market might want to stop. This level right here on the daily and the weekly time frame. So if market break down to this side, we know that this is the level the market is going to stop next. But if you see a breakout from that level, we realize that this high is going to, the market might be likely to take out this high. So see, we're sitting ourselves in a two-way position. A buyer, say this is the level. If you see a breakout to the upside, this is the level we're expected to see the market should take out. But this market take out from that level to break out from that structure here, we realize that we're going to wait and see to see a retest to that level, take a set position, and our next stop is going to be this level here. So it's more like a zone to zone stuff. So that's that on that, and don't forget, if you like what you see, hit the subscription button, like and share. Thanks guys.